Hello बच्चों, today I am going to explain exercise 10C. In this exercise I will take the cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means there is a circle and a quadrilateral whose vertices A, B, C, D lies on the circumference of the circle, then it's a cyclic quadrilateral. Regarding this cyclic quadrilateral, you are having a property angle A plus C is equal to 180. Means sum of the opposite angles like A and C you will get A plus C 180 and opposite angles B, D, then you are getting B plus D 180. This property holds. In words you can say sum of the opposite angles in a quadrilateral is 180 degree. And some other previous properties you have to remember that angle A plus B plus C 180 angle sum property, parallel lines and transversal you know, alternate angles equal, corresponding angle equal, vertically opposite angles are equal. This is exterior angle property. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angle. This all previous properties you have to remember and they can be utilized at any place. Now if there is a cyclic quadrilateral, you are extending any side like this. As in triangle you have extended this, in the quadrilateral this can also be extended. Then you are getting this exterior angle. This angle will be equal to opposite interior angle. Exterior angle C is equal to angle A. This can be proved like this. So I am taking angle A, this B and C. Angle A plus B will be equal to 180 because of this property I have told here. Angle B plus C 180 due to the linear pair. This property you know already. When RHS is equal, LHS will also be equal. This is a fundamental concept. When one side of the two statements is equal, other side will also be equal. When you will equate these two sides, angle B is coming both sides of equal side. This is equal quantity, equal sign. This will be cancelled. You will get angle A is equal to angle C. In this manner, this can be obtained. Now I am taking question 2 of the exercise, and other also be solved. Just for the sake of understanding I am explaining. A cyclic quadrilateral ABCP has been given and this angle 120 has been given. You have to calculate angle this, means CAB. Now you will write angle ABCP is a cyclic quadrilateral. When ABCP is a cyclic quadrilateral, it means angle B plus P, these will be 180 as the property I have explained here. Likewise, put the value of angle P, B plus 120 is equal to 180. This 120 will be shifted this side, 180 minus 120, you will get angle B is equal to 20 degree. Now angle C, this angle is 90 degree because angle is semicircle. This is written angle in semicircle. And you in the previous exercise 10B you have learnt angle in semicircle formed is 90 degree. This is also a theorem there. Now in triangle ABC, angle A plus B plus C 180, you know the angle sum property. In this angle A you have to calculate. Angle B is you have got 60 plus 90 is equal to 180. Angle A is equal to 180 minus this will be 150. Angle A is equal to 30 degree, or angle CAB is equal to 30 degree. In this way you can calculate. The exercise having I think a lot of 20 questions around. Now you will have to attempt today, I think up to 10 you should attempt. Question number 1 to 10. The same concept, and you can ask later on in the group helping hand any problem if you are facing. Thank you.